friends, happy Sabbath! Welcome to our kindergarten Sabbath school lesson. Today, the title of our Sabbath school story is Birds to the Rescue. Our memory verse today is found in Philippians 4 verse 9. It says, "My God will meet all your needs." Are you ready for the story? Let's learn it together. Friends, long time ago, there was a king named King Ahab. He was the king of God's own special people, the Israelites. Every day, King Ahab bowed his head in front of the idols. King Ahab prayed, "Oh Baal, give us rain so our food will grow in the fields and we will have plenty to eat." King Ahab prayed to the Baal every day. He even built a temple for the idol Baal so everybody could worship him. Is there anyone left who's not worshiping the idols? Is there anyone who really loves God? Is there anyone God used to tell his people to worship the true God? Yes, there is. It is Elijah. So, God gave Elijah a very important message for King Ahab. Elijah walked quickly into King Ahab's palace. Elijah spoke loudly. "King Ahab, God says that there will be no rain for the next few years unless I say so." After Elijah told the message, he hurried out of the palace. King Ahab was so angry and tried to kill Elijah. They looked for Elijah everywhere, but they couldn't find him. Then God spoke to Elijah to hide at Kerith Brook. Elijah did as what God told him. That evening, Elijah sat on the ground and felt hungry, but there was nothing to eat. Suddenly, Elijah heard birds calling. Elijah wondered, what was that sound? He looked up. And saw big black ravens carrying food. The ravens swooped down and dropped the food on the rock near Elijah. Then Elijah bowed his head and thanked God for taking care of him. Amen. Okay, friends, that's all for now. See you next time. Bye.